Hello my friends, welcome you again a new video where I will tell you how to unlock the lock of your mobile phone like pin, pattern, password lock. In this video, you will also know that you will not lose any data at the time of unlocking your mobile. And the biggest thing from this video, we will also know that how can you remove the password of your mobile without any computer, without any data loss in just only 2 to 3 minutes. This method is also used in the service center now and you can use it. By doing this, you can unlock any Android smartphone like Realme, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, LG, Sony, etc. So let's start this video. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. When your mobile is locked, first of all, you have to full battery charge of your smartphone so that your mobile will not switch off in the process of unlocking. If your mobile will switched off in the process of unlocking, then all the important data of your smartphone remains in danger of being deleted. Watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your mobile phone by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. First of all, you must full battery charged of your smartphone. Minimum 30% is required. Then after use the offline mode. In this offline mode, you have to use a secret code. First of all, you have to open the emergency call option from here. Click on the dial pad. And when your emergency call option comes, I am telling you a secret code from service center and you have to use that code, and this code is star hash and lastly hash button. You have to take a screenshot. I hope you taken the screenshot, and now you have to call this code 3 times. When you click the call option here, a pop-up message of call failed is appearing here. Then you have to ignore and click on the OK option, and you have to repeat it for 3 times, 2 and 3. Now you have to completed this process. After, you have to clear the codes from this page. After completing this process, the offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left. Wait. And that process is now you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode or flight mode from these shortcuts. Wait for a second. Yeah, your airplane mode is activated now in this phone. With activating it, your smartphone will go completely in offline mode. Now you have to now you have completed a stage, and now you have to take a new and most important steps here. Now you have to activate the master unlocking mode or engineer mode in your smartphone. It is also called engineer mode in the language of our service center. Now you have to use that code to open engineer mode, and this code is secret, and this code is star hash 899 and hash, means a star hash 899 and hash. And as you build by clicking on the last hash button, the after sales page or engineer mode will be appeared in your smartphone. The page of master locking will come in your smartphone. Now you have to take some new steps here. As you are looking at the number 5 option here, it is software version. Now you have to open this software version, and here you will now see the Android version on number 2 option. It has to be clicked as many times as it is written here. For example, it is 13, then I have to click it 13 times. If it is showing 10 here, 11 here, 12 here, 13 here, then you have to click it 10 here, 10 times, 11 times, 12 times and 13 times. So then for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. As soon as this process of your smartphone will be completed, now you have to come back. After this process, now you have to click on the option above it, that is a manual test on the number 4 option. Now you have to click on the manual test option here. Now some new pages will come in your smartphone. Now you have to go to the last page which belongs to other by swiping it from the side, and now you will see total 5 options here. Here all the options are very important. You have to work in this very carefully. First of all, you have to click on the fourth number option, that is mainboard version or database version 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now after completing it, you have to click on the option given here on number 2, that is read write important log test. You have to open this option and click on the cancel button for the first time. Then again you have to click on the number 2 option and again click on the cancel button. In the third time also you have to repeat the process, same process, but in the fourth time you have to click on the, sorry, I have wrongly clicked the other options, read write important log test in the fourth time also, and you have to click on the OK button, and you can see that your password going to resetting mode here from these options. Now your mobile password has gone to the reset mode. Now all you have to do is apply one last method and your smartphone will be unlocked. Now you have to go to the device debugging page, and here you will be seeing an option. This is the device debugging page, and you can see here you have to find sensor self test and calibration option. You have to click this option, and you can see that there are 3 options are showing here. Maybe you see 1 option, 2 option or 3 option. Here all the options are in default not started mode. You have to click it automatically by touching it, and here you will get a message of a pass message, test pass. If your test pass message has come, then your work is done. But if you don't still see a pass message here and the test error message is comes, so understand till now your pass message will not come here. We'll keep doing this process again and again like this. And as you see here, at least one pass message is required. By the way, you will click on the home button here and you can see that your mobile phone is unlocked and there is no any photos, videos, data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock any Android smartphone like Realme, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Samsung, Xiaomi, except iPhone. If your mobile phone is still not unlocked, in that case, you can comment us by subscribe our channel. Our team definitely will reply to your comment so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile. Thank you for watching this video.